Hello, it's Rashida. I thought I would come on and do an unboxing of what I purchased from Chic Sparrow's Second Chance sale. Chic Sparrow is a company that specializes in traveler's notebooks. So I will leave their YouTube channel link below and you can learn all about their Second Chance sale. The Second Chance sale was on January 29th of this year, 2018. And so I ordered this on the 29th and it shipped the next day, and I got it within like 2 days after that. So I ordered the A5 size, and so I'm just gonna open it and we'll see what I got. Okay, let's open it. This is a very nice, I don't know what this material is. It's like a knitted material, but it's a nice cover. Ooh. So this is a black A5 classic. I wanted a classic, and the classic means it does not have pockets. Their deluxe version of traveler's notebooks has pockets. So it has 4 spaces for my inserts, 4 elastics. And it does have their Chic Sparrow branding on the back. Okay, so with the Second Chance sale, they deem these as perfectly imperfect. So there might be minor imperfections. So like there's something there, maybe from the manufacturing process, I'm not sure. But, you know, it's on the inside, you know, I don't care. Alright, so yeah, this is like a nice floppy leather, and people that are familiar with leather types will understand what I mean by floppy. So it's not stiff at all. It's very pliable. I like it. I don't have a black traveler's notebook in A5. I don't think I have any black TNs. So that's the unboxing. So now I think I'm going to try and set this up. So if you want to see that, stick around. And so let's see. I'm just gonna open that wide, and the size of the A5 I believe is about 5.8 by 8 1/4. I'll leave the actual dimensions down below just in case you want to know, but you can also check out Chic Sparrow's website for that. So I guess I should see, this is the cream black beauty. That is what they call this. That's the name. I probably should have looked at my invoice before now, but that's what it's called, cream black beauty in A5. Okay, and then they included this message. I think they include this with all of their products. I've seen this on a lot of the other Second Chance unboxings, so they included that. Okay, so what I have here is a couple of inserts, some vellum, and journals. And I'm going to see if I can set this up in no particular order. I guess I'll start with the actual plastic insert dashboard. So this is a Foxy Fix plastic dashboard, and I just have some scrapbook paper on the inside, and then I have I think this is a Midori file folder, and I just have some collage material in here. These are from Courtney Diaz from Little Raven Ink. I think there's a Maggiano's menu in there, so just little things that I can reference and use. And let's see, and some notes, note areas that I can write notes on. So let's see, I'm just gonna start adding stuff in onto the elastics. So this is a journal, I think it's from Fancy Pants. And in here I just have a collage element from Courtney, and then just wrote down a couple of affirmations and prayers in it so far. So I'm going to add that in. And this is just a notebook from, I think We Are Memory Keepers, and there's blank areas in here, but there are also like file folder areas that I can put other things in. So I'm just going to add that. And what I am doing is I'm finding the middle of each journal or notebook and sliding it onto the elastic. If I can get to it. Yep. And going on like so. Now this is a Franklin Christoph gridded notebook, and I'm not sure, it's, you know, it's soft, so I'm gonna see if it will fit in here as well. Oops. Okay. And I have a piece of vellum. We'll see if I can slide that under, where do I want it? Maybe here. Okay, so, oh, nice. So everything fits. So everything is in there. There's really no overhang or anything. So let's see. What else can I add? I do have, I have some paper clips and a bookmark. So I actually made these. This is a bookmark. So I always have fun making these. And I'm just gonna add it around. Let's see how that fits. So that dangles at the bottom. And just a couple of paper clips. These are charm paper clips that I've made. So. And I'm just going to randomly stick these onto the paper. Just so that I know where I need to start writing. Oops, that one came off. So this is how I put these on. It just goes right around, and I'll put one. And these can also go at the bottom of your inserts as well. I just like to put them at the top. That one there. And while I'm here, I did want to add a date to this page. So I'm dating it for today. And I'll have one more paper clip. Let's see where. I'll just put it here. And I'll close it. So, yeah, so I have my paper clips here and my bookmark here because I like the little pretty things on my traveler's notebook. So yeah, that is my unboxing and my setup for my new A5 Chic Sparrow Cream Black Beauty. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.